They do it everywhere, don't they? 50p to have a piss.
Pissing everywhere.
You're literally pissing all your money away, babe. It's a bit disappointing that you can't actually get in and swim. That is disappointing. It's still pretty nonetheless. The water looks really clear. It's a shame that we can't actually go swimming in it. I wonder why that is. I wonder if it'll change in the future. These are the sugared almonds.
So good.
Tastes so good, don't they?
We need to get like parked up, really.
They taste so good. Dried sugar oranges, and they are amazing. They taste so good, don't they? It's so cool. That tastes amazing. How pretty is it up here?
So pretty, look how clear it is.
Wouldn't you like to go swimming in that?
Yeah, it looks really warm and like just
Nice. What's the prices like here? 170. 170? That's £17.
No.
170.
70 is £1. Yeah, babe.
Oh, that's not £1.70.
That is, babe. 170 is 200. £1.70.
200 kuna is 20 quid. No, 20 kuna is £2. Expensive here, isn't it? It's 2 o'clock now. What do you think of this park then, baby?
Yeah, lovely. Really nice.
Oh, look at this. It's all these beautiful little like ponds where all the fish are just living. Yeah, it's almost like a swamp. It's really pretty. What a beautiful location. Absolutely beautiful. Really glad we come here today. You can't swim in the waterfall ever again. It's not happening anymore. Apparently they're trying to become like a World Heritage Site or something like that. And in order for them to do that, you can't have people swimming in there. So, but there is a location just up the river, which we were told about, where we can actually go and swim. So we're going to shoot up there now. What's it called? Roški Slap, which is basically the top of the river where the waterfall is. I'll show you on my maps. That's where we are at the bottom, and we're going to go to the top. Apparently we can get in and swim up there, and apparently it's as beautiful as what we've seen down here, so we'll go check that out.